How to set this manual timer switch. We can set to switch on and off this at a certain time. Let's see how to do it. Current time is 4 p.m., so we have to set the pointer to 4 p.m., which is 16. Next, we have to make sure all these tiny switches are in upright position. Use a screwdriver or something sharp to set it. Now I am going to set the timer to switch on at 16:30 and switch off at 19. To do that, I have to push all these little switches in this range and set it. The timer is now set for activation at 16:30 and turn off at 19. This will repeat every day at this time if you keep the switch connected. Let's connect a bed lamp and see this works. Wait until 16:30 and see bed lamp switch on.